Alright, next one.
Don't answer the phone. Elvis Duran, the Elvis Duran phone tap.
All right, let's get into the phone tap. Garrett.
Yes.
What's your phone tap all about?
Well, Malik wanted to play a phone tap on his mom. Now, Malik was asked to go get the oil changed in his mom's car, and he's never done that before, so we figured this would be the perfect phone tap. So Malik's going to start the call to mom, then I'm going to take over as the guy fixing
Oh, boy.
the oil.
All right, let's mess with him. Here we go. Garrett's phone tap.
Hello?
Hey, Mom.
Malik, what's up?
Nothing much. I'm just sitting around a gas station waiting, getting the oil change. I just wanted to let you know it's only going to be $150 this time.
$150? Did you see Charlie?
No, I couldn't wait there because I went there. It was like 10 people ahead of me, so I went to this other place down the street. Don't worry about it, though. I'll be finished soon. They're at the part where they take the tires off.
No, wait. What are you talking about? $150 and the tires taken off? I sent you to get an oil change. You don't gotta take the tires off?
That's not what the mechanic said. The mechanic said they had to take the tires off to change the oil, and $150 is a good price, he told me.
No. You're up the whole joint right now.
Hold on. All right.
Yeah.
Can you come here and talk to my mother for 1 second, please?
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah. Who it
Hi,
is?
this is Tamara. I'm Malik's mother. You're supposed to be doing an oil change.
Yeah,
but
oil
you got
change.
the wheels off my car and you're trying to charge him $150?
Toots, listen,
Excuse me?
that's not your name?
No, my name is Tamara.
All right, honey, listen. Tires are going to be rotated, and we'll $150.
Take the car down, put the tires back on, and he's going to get the out of there because this is a damn ripoff. Give me back my son, put him back on the phone. I'm about to send some cops over there.
All right, sweet cheeks, no worries. All right, hold on.
Would you stop calling me names?
All right, Ma, you see, everything's cool. Everything will be fine. I'll be home in
No. Everything is not cool. Get the out of there. Get your money back.
Can't leave, Ma. There's only 2 tires on the car. I have to wait till they finish.
I'm sick and tired of this. It's been a long day already. I don't have time to deal with this.
Ma, it's only 2 tires. I can't leave. And I have to wait for them to put the radio back in. It was sounding too bassy. So I told
The radio? Why is the radio involved in this?
there was too much bass. And I had them fix the tires because I hit a pothole when I was driving here. And I wanted to make sure the tires were okay.
Oh my God! You hit a pothole and they took all the tires off? Like, what did you hit? The Grand Canyon?
No, Ma, it was pretty big, though. It wasn't the Grand.
Yeah, but you don't gotta take all the tires off. Yo, your foolishness right now is really gonna give me a heart attack. I'm about to blow a vein in my head.
Hey, Tamara.
Hey, listen, put my car down.
Yeah.
Give it back to my son. I'm done with this. Like, I'm about to come down there with the rain.
Tamara, my name's actually Garrett from Elvis Duran on the Morning Show, and your son just phone tapped you.
Are you serious? Oh my God, Lorraine, yo, check this out. They got me on the radio right now. My son's a jerk.
Elvis Duran phone tap.
That was awesome.
That was awesome.
You made her a little upset. I love
Wow.
that. It all worked out in the end, though.
He was awesome tricking his mom.
I know.
That was
Great job.
Thank you.
God, if someone called you Toots, how would you?
Oh, I reached to the phone.
Yeah.
This phone tap was pre-recorded with permission granted by all participants.